BJP national spokesperson and Manipur in charge, Sambit Patra, arrived in Imphal today on a two-day visit as MLAs in the state huddled to push for a popular government. The BJP leader landed at Imphal International Airport at around 8:20 a.m. and was received by BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President K. Sarat and other officials. Sambit Patra then boarded a helicopter bound for Churachandpur district. In Churachandpur, Patra met Thanlon BJP MLA Vungzagin Valte, who survived a mock attack on May 4, 2023. He also met Churachandpur MLA LM Kwate and leaders of Zomi Student Federation. The BJP leader also held a closed-door meeting with leaders of the Kuki Zo Council and Zomi Council. When reporters questioned the purpose of his visit, Sambit Patra said it was an official visit. However, visit to the state came days after 21 Manipur MLAs wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah separately, urging them to form a popular government in the state, which is now under the president's rule. Sambit Patra is likely to meet BJP MLAs in Imphal after his return from Churachandpur.